Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I love making videos and tutorials, but it is so much cooler when you guys interact back with me. So I've had some cool contacts with Mason Auto, and he is making sweet planes on Tinkercad, and that's where he first connected with me and showed me where he took one of my videos and made his own cool plane. So watch this, I can show you how to check out the cool things he's made. Of course, first, you should subscribe and check out his channel because he's got some cool lessons here. The first step, friends, is to get into your Tinkercad and find the magic search button, and then look in the description of this video for the different planes that Mason Auto has created. The first one I'm gonna search is the EF6 Cavalier. When you hit search, it will track down the different designs, and you just gotta look for the one that is listed as Sensei Modeling. The sweet thing about this is you can give them a like if you like your design, and you can also hit view in 3D. Once you give that a moment to load, you can actually look at it in every direction. You can scroll in, zoom, and get your own cool ideas for what you can make. So once again, friends, these are the different ones you can search. I will have those in the description. And please, if you make something awesome, just like this user did where he tagged me so that I could see it and wrote a comment on my videos, add a comment as well so that we can connect and keep the community growing. Friends, if you found this video useful, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.